The way I got started in the business, I worked with my dad. He introduced me to floor covering at a young age because he needed some help. I pretty much followed in his footsteps, getting certifications throughout the process. I chose to enter the competition to show off my skills and to see if I had what it takes to win.
I've been an installer for 25 years back in the UK. Originally started in carpets, moved into LVT and found it more rewarding. 2 years ago we went to TISE over at Surfaces, spoke to Dave Garden from the CFI, mentioned about the competition and whether it was open to the UK guys. He gave us the green light and here I am in Dalton, Georgia, just doing the LVT Installer of the Year competition.
Over the past few years, Mohawk really stepped up their engagement with CFI. The more involved that a major manufacturer like Mohawk is with CFI, the more relevant CFI is. We want people to come to us to seek out the training, and we have these fantastic training programs. Without the help of people like Mohawk, we won't be able to really teach them the way we do now.
Oh, I'm super excited. I worked pretty hard and glad I won. Put a lot of hard work into it and tried to really follow the details.
It was a lot of work, it was tough, very relieved and proud. Really pleased that I've managed to do enough to get the win. The 10-hour flight seems all worth it now, so if you're thinking of doing it, absolutely jump in and get involved.
I'm gonna go get some rest.